Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here again on Thursday the 24th of November. I've got to apologise for the sound quality. I've got a problem with the microphone, so if anybody is any good at all with using these things and these things, let me know. Send me an email to simon@weatherweb.net. External microphone has suddenly stopped working. Don't you just love technology? I'll have to get in and have a look at that after I've finished lecturing at Birmingham University today. Those poor students, fancy having me telling you about weather forecasting. Goodness me. Anyway, just a very quick update for you on the longer term forecast. Here we have the ECMWF chart on the left, the GFS on the right. These are the 7 to 10 day running means of the 500 millibar flow, and also the anomalies in that flow as well. You see below normal heights to the north on the ECMWF, above normal to the south. This is squeezing through the jet stream from a westerly direction. It's a cold direction as well, straight across the UK. These charts are from next Thursday through to the following Sunday, so that's up to the 4th of December, and GFS keeping us in this cool and settled strong westerly flow, so that means we're going to be changeable, we're going to be seeing rain at times, strong winds, gales as well. Temperatures probably at around normal for many of us, perhaps a touch above in the far south, perhaps a touch below in the far north, and I wouldn't rule out snow over high ground either. Now GFS is quite interesting because look, it builds a stronger ridge to the east of the states. Look at the difference between the ECMWF there and the GFS here. Now GFS building this ridge, which means it turns the flow more into a northwesterly look and digs down this cold air further into the Atlantic, creating this deeper trough. Now if this happens, this shoves the jet stream, that's a technical term, good old black country technical term in fact, it shoves the jet stream south through Iberia up through central parts of Europe, builds the ridge across Russia, which effectively feeds back across the pole and digs down the trough of the eastern side of the states, building the ridge, deepening the trough. So that would be much colder conditions for the British Isles should that come off. At the moment I'm leaning towards the ECMWF, so cooler than we've had at the moment, but I don't think drastic cold. Now the other chart I wanted to show you was, what was the other chart that I wanted to show you was this one. This is the maximum temperature for Birmingham, and over the next few days from the GFS. The dates along the bottom here. The reds are the maximum temperatures, blue are the minimum temperatures, and we've got rainfall in bars here. But just wanted to show you, look what happens come the 29th, 30th. Look at that sharp fall off in temperature predicted by the GFS, which is consistent with that trough in the jet stream digging further south. I remain to be convinced as to whether that will happen, but we shall see. Now this site's kept free of charge by the adverts that you can see around it. If you see an advert you like, do click on it, go through to the sponsor, generates revenue for us, keeps the site free of charge, and shows the sponsor that you care. No, shows them that you're interested in the site and what we're doing here. So thanks for watching, do keep the sun shining, and we'll keep a careful eye on this one. We may need to raise a cold weather alert up the flagpole depending on what the GFS does over the next few days. At the moment, as I say, I'm leaning more towards the ECMWF, but we shall see. Thanks for watching.